Hello everyone, and in this video I will show you how you can install Oracle 21c and its configuration. So let's get started. Here first we will set our IP or host name. For IP, type Ifconfig, and this is my IP. I just copy it. Now I will check my host name, and my host name is localhost.local@domain. I will also copy this. Now it's time to edit this local host name and IP in /etc. For editing, press I, and then you can type anything. Here I also already set that my IP and host name, so I will just change my host name. I just added my host name, write :WQ for quit. Now it's time to check the pre-installed 21c packages available. So this is the command yum list Oracle database pre-install 21c. Yes, okay. You can see we have two packages for pre-install. One is .src and one is x86 _64. I'm going to install 21c .x86. So for installation, this is the command yum install -y and the available package you are going to install. Okay, our installation has been started, so it will take more than 1 minute. It's checking for verifications. Okay, our installation has been done. Now it's time to create a password for a new user, because we are creating a new user named as Oracle, and also create a password for it. Okay, authentication tokens update successfully. Now it's time to set the SC Linux permissives. Here you can see in SC Linux it's by default enforcing, so we will change this permissive. Here you will also type press I key, and now you can edit this file. Okay, I just changed my SC Linux as a permissive, and I will comment this by default enforcing. Now just save with WQ. Now I'm just stop my firewall if it's running. Okay, it stopped. Now I will disable the firewall also if it's running in backend. Okay, or all the settings firewall are disabled. Now I'm creating a directory for my database home, and the other one is for our softwares. Now we will change the permission for both directories with the ch own, and with ch mode we are grant the permission to both directories. Now if I just ls-la, and here you can see all the permissions that all the files have, and if I df-h, you can see the size and the used and available all the files. Okay, now I'm changing my directory and I change my directory as /uo2, and if you can see I have I have the software in my /uo2 directory. Now I am going to change my user because I create two users. One is my personal, and the other one that I have created before. And you can see there is a new user. Just type your password that you have created. Okay, this is a new dashboard. Here we will also execute some commands also. because it's new dashboard, so do all the settings that you want. Okay, I just manage my terminal. Now here I will also change my directory as slash, because slash uo2, because you see that I have software in my slash uo2 directory. If I show you once again, you can see that the software I have in my slash uo2 directory. So now it's time to unzip all the files, or unzip the software that I have I was downloaded. So just type the unzip -oq and the software, and just press enter. Okay, my software has been unzipped, and you can see all the files which unzip. Now it's time to launch my database 21C wizard. For that, I just type ./run installer. When you press enter, you can see the wizard of 21C database. Here we will do some configurations and settings like path, or do other stuff. Okay, our wizard has been opened. So in the first option, we will go with the default. In this system class, we will go with a server class, because we created the server, because we are creating server. And here we will also go with the default setting. Now it's time to provide the Oracle software path, where we will install our softwares and other things. So for softwares, I created /uo2 directory. I just got my /product and go with the /uo1/app/Oracle. So this is the first class of Oracle installation. So as I told you in my previous videos, that I'm going to create a new classes for Oracle. So I hope you guys are enjoying these classes, and in next videos I will also show you how you can upgrade your database, or how you can install the softwares and all the stuff. So make sure to subscribe my channel, because These videos are very useful for the Oracle users. So I request you to support me or my channel. Here, create a password for a schema. Don't worry, just yes. Okay, this is operation system groups. Just press next, and it's perform and checking all the prerequisites and all the settings that we have done. It will take 5 minutes or more than 5 minutes. Okay, now it's time to install. It's installing all the products like configure local node, link binaries, setup, Oracle base, execute root scripts. Okay, it's time to execute configuration scripts. So I'm open a new terminal, and here I will execute the files. Remember one thing, that you will also log in as a root user. Okay, now I just copy this script, and if I just copy in my terminal, you can see the changing group of /o1 app /ora inventory. The script is complete. Now it's I'm going to run the second script. Okay, it's also done. We are run the both scripts, and now I'm just click on OK. Okay, it's done. Just copy this URL, because when you done all the settings, you will check your database through this URL. So this is the part 1 of the installation of database 21C. In the next part, I will show you the complete configuration of 21C. So thank you so much for watching, and hope you enjoy. Thank you.